Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Today, we are taking you from zero to hero in just 6 minutes. I'm Anna.
And I'm Abel. We're moving fast today, so grab your notebooks.
All right, Abel, imagine you just learned English. How would you describe your feelings right now?
I'm happy. I'm excited.
Good start, but here's the thing. Native speakers don't just say, I am happy all the time. They use powerful, specific verbs. Abel, instead of I am happy, try this. I feel thrilled.
I feel thrilled.
Better. Or how about I'm pumped, I'm over the moon. See how those paint a clearer picture? Let's practice. Abel, you just got a promotion at work. Tell me how you feel, but don't use I am happy.
I'm ecstatic. I'm on cloud 9.
Yes! Now here's the trick. Replace weak am or is phrases with action verbs. Instead of I am tired, say I'm exhausted or I'm drained. Instead of I am hungry, say I'm starving or I'm famished. Abel, your turn. You haven't eaten all day. What do you say?
I'm starving. I'm famished.
Perfect. You just leveled up from basic to pre-intermediate in 30 seconds. The secret? Ditch boring verbs and choose ones that pack a punch. Now let's kick it up a notch.
I'm ready.
Great, because right now you're probably speaking in short, choppy sentences. I went to the store. I bought milk. I came home. Am I right?
Yeah, that sounds like me.
Here's the intermediate trick. Connectors. These are words that glue your sentences together and make you sound fluent. Words like however, therefore, on the other hand, moreover, and nevertheless. Let me show you. Abel, tell me about your morning using short sentences.
I woke up late. I missed my alarm. I rushed to work.
Okay, now watch this. I woke up late because I missed my alarm, therefore I rushed to work. See? One smooth sentence instead of 3 choppy ones. Your turn. Tell me about a problem at work, but use a connector.
The project was difficult. However, we finished it on time.
Brilliant! You just sounded like a business professional. Let's do another. Abel, you wanted to go to the beach, but it rained. Use on the other hand.
I wanted to go to the beach, however, it rained. On the other hand, I got to relax at home and watch movies.
That's what I'm talking about. You're not just speaking English, you're flowing. Here is a bonus connector. Nevertheless. It means despite that. Abel, give it a shot.
The weather was terrible. Nevertheless, we decided to go hiking.
Yes, you're now at an intermediate level. You're connecting ideas, showing cause and effect, and sounding natural. But we're not stopping here. Let's get you to advanced.
Let's do it.
Okay, here's the secret that separates intermediate speakers from advanced ones. Idioms and phrasal verbs. Instead of saying, I understand, native speakers say, I follow, or it clicked. Instead of, I don't understand, we say, I'm lost, or it's not clicking. Abel, I just explained a complicated math problem. You get it. What do you say?
I follow. It clicked.
Perfect. Now here's another trick. Sophisticated synonyms. Instead of careful, say meticulous. Instead of important, say crucial or vital. Instead of show, say demonstrate. Let me test you. Abel, you need to be very careful with this project. Use a better word.
I need to be meticulous with this project.
Outstanding. Now let's add some advanced phrases. Instead of I think, say to be honest or in my opinion. Instead of I like, say I'm keen on or I'm fond of. Abel, tell me about something you enjoy but sound sophisticated.
To be honest, I'm keen on learning new languages. In my opinion, it's a vital skill in today's world.
Wow, listen to you. You went from I am happy to that in under 5 minutes. Here's one more advanced trick. Phrasal verbs. Instead of postpone, say put off. Instead of continue, say carry on. Instead of tolerate, say put up with. Abel, the meeting was delayed. What happened?
They put off the meeting until next week.
Excellent. And if someone asks if you'll continue learning English,
Absolutely. I'll carry on practicing every day.
you're officially advanced. You're using idioms, connectors, sophisticated vocabulary, and phrasal verbs. That's native level English right there.
To be honest, I feel like I've leveled up tremendously. However, I know I need to keep practicing. Nevertheless, I'm keen on this journey.
Listen to you. That's exactly what we want to hear. All right, here's your final advanced tip before we go. When you want to sound truly polished, use softeners like I'd say, or I reckon, or it seems to me. These make you sound thoughtful and native. Abel, do you think this method works?
I'd say it's incredibly effective. It seems to me that anyone can level up fast with these tricks.
And that's a wrap. You just witnessed a complete transformation from basic to advanced in 6 minutes. Remember, powerful verbs, smooth connectors, sophisticated synonyms, and natural idioms. That's your formula.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Abel.